So, if you're watching this, this is your biggest fan, and I want you to warn you. Tom's dad is actually a demon. He's lying. So, don't go anywhere near him when he's around his family. Alice, Boris, Sammy, Lawrence, and Bendy from Bendy and the Machine. I hope you receive this message. I don't know why, but I know he's a demon from hell. Because you guys went to hell before and he loved hell. So I know it. He loved hell.